If you must become a data analyst, you have to know that there are lots of data analytics toolkits out there that you have to learn. You don't have to learn these tools at once. All you need to do is know and learn the basic tool for data analysis. Hello everyone, it's Coco here again and welcome back to my channel. And in today's episode, we are going to be talking about a very exciting and interesting topic for all you data enthusiasts out there who are just starting out their data journey. In this video, we'll be diving into the data analysis toolkit for beginners, where we'll talk about and focus on the basic tools that every data analyst beginner needs to know. Now, these tools are the essential tools needed for every data analyst beginner to analyze data efficiently. So if you're ready, let's get started. First up, we have the classic and versatile Microsoft Excel. Microsoft Excel is one tool that is not going anywhere. It is here to stay. Microsoft Excel is a fantastic tool for every data beginner to get started with in data analysis. I know that there are a lot of tools out there, but you see, Microsoft Excel is very important. It is a must learn toolkit for every data analyst. Microsoft Excel allows you to organize your data, clean your data, perform calculations on your data. You can also build dashboards and reports. You can create pivot charts, pivot tables, all in Microsoft Excel. So it's not all the time that you need to use advanced or other tools when you can just use Microsoft Excel. Next is SQL. Well, the full meaning is structured query language. Now, this is a language that allows data analysts to connect with a database, or you can call it SQL. So yes, as data analysts, you need to learn SQL. It is very important because there are a lot of companies who have databases. You cannot just connect to that database without knowing how to use SQL. So SQL allows you to create databases for companies, create tables in those databases, allows you to perform operations like data cleaning, data transformation, filtering and sorting, and a lot more. Now, SQL is just a language. There are tools that allows for SQL operations, tools like MySQL, MS SQL, popularly known as Microsoft SQL Server. We also have the PostgreSQL. People call it the PG admin. Yeah, so these tools that allows for SQL operations are called database management systems, the DBMS. So if you come across DBMS, just know that it is a tool that allows you to carry out SQL operations to access a database. Now let's shift our focus to data visualization. My next recommended data analysis toolkit is the Microsoft Power BI. Microsoft Power BI is an intuitive and user-friendly emphasis on the user-friendly. It's an intuitive and user-friendly tool for creating stunning visualizations from your datasets. I know you can build dashboards and reports in Microsoft Excel, but I do recommend Power BI. It's more easier to build your dashboard and your reports in Microsoft Power BI. You do not just get to create dashboards and reports, you can also clean your data sets in Power BI. You can transform your data set in Power BI to how you want to use it. Now, lastly, we have Tableau. Is it Tableau? Tableau. Lastly, we have Tableau. Tableau is also similar to Power BI, just that it is not a Microsoft product. Tableau is used for data visualization. You can create your dashboard, you can build multiple pages reports in Tableau. So Tableau is a widely used data visualization tool that data analyst beginners need to know. So you can either learn Power BI or learn Tableau, or you learn both. Personally, I use Microsoft Power BI because it is very user friendly. I like that I can be able to build my dashboards and reports at ease. I've not really tried Tableau, but I've seen a lot of beautiful and insightful visualizations done by other people using Tableau. And there you have it, my recommended data analysis toolkit for every data analyst beginner. I think by now you should have a good understanding of essential tools like Microsoft Excel, MySQL, MS SQL, PostgreSQL, Power BI, and Tableau. Remember that practice is the key to mastering all of these tools that I have recommended. Do not hesitate to get hands-on with real data sets and explore the capabilities of all these tools. And if you enjoyed today's episode, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel Data Delight with Coco for more exciting content on data analysis. Feel free to leave your comments and questions in the comment section, and I'll be more than happy to answer them. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Until next time, happy analyzing.